The work-at-home trend has set off new standards for how we bid and produce jobs. BlinkBid is equipped to manage all forms of virtual production. From its inception, the software was built with decentralized collaboration in mind. In this video, we'll highlight some of the features made for the virtual workplace. First off, in-house collaboration is as easy as opening a job. All the users registered under a BlinkBid account have equal access. It's that simple. No rules or roadblocks. Your team can jump in on any job they're needed. Everyone can work simultaneously to build a bid and create multiple revisions. Share a bid in progress with a freelance producer or anyone else on the BlinkBid network by choosing the shared job item at the top of the screen or under the hamburger menu. BlinkBid gives you the option to share specific phases of the job depending on what the collaborator outside your company needs access to. In this example, we're choosing only to share the production module with our freelance producer so they can run the job. If you need to peek at who made which changes, run a change log report. Simply click on the Run Job Log item under the hamburger menu. A link will appear at the top of the page with the most recent changes at the top. Lastly, our electronic signature feature makes it incredibly easy to get job approvals remotely. Under the hamburger menu, while inside the job, choose Email Estimate. Click the box to add an electronic signature request, and then enter the client's email. Track the document's progress and access signed records at any time within BlinkBid under My Jobs, Email Documents, /Electronic Signature. If you have any questions or need further instructions on how to maximize BlinkBid's capabilities, visit our help page outlining all its features. If you find your question isn't answered, contact our team. As virtual production becomes a definite part of our future, BlinkBid will continue to provide the tools you need to get the job done. Changes are happening fast, but BlinkBid's got you.
If you have any questions about these features, please access our help page, which explains all the features BlinkBid offers. If your question is not answered, contact customer support via the help icon from the menu under your account name in the top right corner.